These 4 stakes highlight the flat area that I'm going to utilize to turn part of my yard into a studio office. And this is actually going to sit right across the driveway. Step 1, we are going to add a shed pad of stone. This part of our land has a lot of clay that lets water kind of cool and sit on it, and I don't want the bottom of my shed to sit in water constantly and rot, so this will help protect it. It's delivery day, and even though it snowed and we had to shovel the shed pad and create a pathway for the delivery truck, we were determined to avoid any delays. We purchased this shed from North Mountain Structures based out of Chambersburg, PA, which I will link below, and the boys were very accommodating despite the weather. With a hydraulic lift trailer, they were able to place the shed directly on the shed pad.
Oh, he can slide it.
So we're putting 2 recessed lightings in, or recessed lights. We've got plugs all around. There's 7 total. There's one over there, there. We got a quad there where the desk is going to be. Coffee machine's going to be over here. And then we're also going to have 2 sconces up on the walls here. We'll have to figure out placement with how the wood stove and the TV are going to go, but we will have 2 sconces on a separate switch, which will be here, switch for the recess, and we will also have a light outside the door here that has to be installed. So there'll be a switch for that and then a switch for the sconces. But we're getting there. We got the structure in anyway and the wires in. So one more step forward. This is our heater set up in the shed, which actually heats up quite nicely. So we're just testing it out right now.
Now that we have electricity and heat, we need to set up the roofing to hold the heat in, but also prepare for insulation. We purchased these baffletings from Lowe's that will allow air to still filter above the baffleting through the roof vents and prevent mold, but also still keep heat in the shed in the winter once insulation is sprayed over it. Time to close up the old office in downtown Gettysburg. Goodbye to the old 106, hello to the new future, paying rent to the farm instead. Don't forget to subscribe so you can continue watching our journey of converting this shed into a home office.